Welcome to Fun Learn class. Let's have fun, play, and learn. Hello, kids. Let's learn ABC with yummy fruits today.
A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. D for dragon fruit. E for elderberry. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honeydew. I for ice apple. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lychee. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for pear. Q for quince. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. T for tangerine. U for ugly fruit. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for chigua. Y for yellow banana. Z for ziziphus. Good job, kids. Very nice. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.
Bye, friends. See you in Fun Learn class.